Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna show you about a static light build function in Unreal Engine. Why you need to build the light in. So go to a empty level, and from here you can be a light picture. Create an environment. It's the atmosphere, cloud, and height forth. This is our environment, and add a shape here. The location I make it 000, and the scale on z-axis 0.2, on x-axis 22, and on y-axis 22, and just add a grid material so it look like more beautiful or more gorgeous, whatever you say. And make it a static light and build the light in. Our directional light on default was movable, but we make it static, which means it will not work on dynamic lighting. When our object changes, the light will not change. It will be a light in once when you build it, otherwise it will not change. So after building the light, if you change the location a little bit, there is an option show that light need to rebuild. And if we add any other object like a cube, and if we play, there will two unbuilt object will show. And if we copy it fourth time, there will be 5 unbuilt object will show. And if we make more duplicate, alter and drag, then it will show 9. So to remove this, we need to build the lighting, and after the lighting is built, there will be no message show. There is no lighting, there is no message. So whenever we remove or move or change the object, there will always a message show that lighting need to rebuild when our lighting is static. And after you build the light, it will take some time. It depend on your object, how many object you have and how many light you have on your computer requirement, your computer system, what hardware it have. But it will if you go to the message log, there is a message show no importance volume found. So for remove it, go to the place actor, and there is a function called light mesh importance volume. Basically what it does that it for show the light to focus in this angle. And after that, if we build the light, there will be no message show. There will no message. So if we add if we change, if we duplicate object, and it will always show that our lighting need to rebuild, or our this number of object need to rebuild the light. Also if we add other lighting like a point light, it's a default stationary and it will show 3 because point light is stationary. But if we make it static and if we play, there will be more object because there is a 2 light source and both are static. We can also add the spotlight, and if we make it static, it will also show the this angle the lighting to unbuilt object. And when we build the lighting, there will be light will be built, light will be baked, and the uh, uh, information will be saved, and we don't need to, there will be no message will show. But if we change the light location, there will be always a message, and if we make it movable, there will be no message. So this is for today's tutorial. Bye bye everybody, hope to see you in next tutorial.